We brought three couples together to talk about love, relationships, and more.
You hate about.
Not hate.
He got scared.
We asked some silly questions
Years. Like wow, OMG, wow, OMG.
and asked some serious ones.
ये क्या होता है?
In this video, you will understand how couples depend on each other emotionally and financially.
We met through a common friend in a party, in a birthday party.
And the fun fact is, we both were with different partners.
Yes.
We belong to the same parish, and gradually, we felt a certain attraction.
I was not expecting she would say yes because
Yeah.
I was thinking she's out of my league. So
पट गई.
Last fight was just this morning.
You hate about.
not hate.
He got scared. He got scared.
मुझे घर पे जाना है ना तो.
Are they really prepared for their future? Let's see how they prove their relationship.
Is it my turn or I take the next question?
How long have you been together?
We have been together since 10 years now.
25 years.
25 years.
We know each other for more than 40 years. So that's quite, 4 decades is quite a long time.
How did you guys meet?
We met through a common friend in a party, in a birthday party.
And the fun fact is, we both were with different partners.
Yes.
We belong to the same parish, that is in Mahim, and gradually, we felt a certain attraction.
I got a friend request on Facebook. So मैंने मेरे जो वो गर्ल्स चैट रूम रहता है वहाँ पे सारे इसके फोटो स्क्रीनशॉट लेके भेजा. So they were all were like wow OMG go for it. So I was like अरे भाई रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है रिश्ता नहीं भेजा है मेरे लिए.
What's your recent fight about?
Last fight was just this morning.
Arguments हमारे mostly क्यों रहते हैं? I want her to dress up first, right? So that I can look at whatever gear she is wearing and then kind of either match up to it or go in a contrasting mode so that photos अच्छी आए.
That's what I told him to do something and he didn't
Yeah, I
do
mean I
it.
forgot.
And he's like I forgot.
How do you resolve your fights?
रिश्वत लगती है भाई.
अब ऐसा मतलब कुछ नहीं, अभी इतने साल हो गए हैं, सब चीजें बहुत स्पॉन्टेनियस है ना.
अभी after so much of time being together, there is no you versus me kind of a scenario. It is like us versus the world. It is like one identity which we both share. So it is all good. I am actually blessed to have a partner like her.
Sometimes I give in, sometimes he makes the move, but we try to settle things out and then try not to sleep over it.
तभी आऊंगी तब मेरे सामने कर दे बोलते देख हो गया कुछ नहीं एंड देन ओ लुलु करके मनाएगा एंड देन हो गया.
ए वैसे नहीं बनता.
हाँ मतलब थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बट मान जाती हूँ मैं.
One thing you love about each other?
सो ऐसे एक पॉइंट आउट नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं. ही इज लविंग केयरिंग ऑलवेज लाइक अ पेरेंट टू मी बोल सकते हो.
Love about her is she's cute.
ये थोड़ी होता है आई वॉन्ट
होता है
काउंट.
नहीं. Okay. She doesn't give up. I mean that is the only point I love a lot about her.
He is very caring. He take care of everybody. We have 19-year-old kid and he is completely dedicated towards us and family. Although he is very busy, always working.
She has got such a different approach towards life now. So at times it feels that she takes things very lightly, and at the same moment she'll make you feel that she's taking everything very seriously. So it gives you a fresh perspective into your life. I have given up totally to her. Totally. Right from what I wear today and where we decide to go, what we are supposed to eat. So all those choices, all those major life choices are taken by her.
He's a great father and a great husband. My children have really bloomed because of all his, these talks that we have with them and the type of sitting at breakfast, lunches. We've always made it a habit to sit together.
Is it my turn or I take the next question? Well, I think in a relationship, what is most important is compatibility, trust. So Beverly brings that part to the relationship, which is she's a very stable person, very consistent person, very cool person, opposite my personality, which is why we complement each other very well.
Who is the planner between both of you?
I am not at all a planner. Not at all. Big no.
No, so planning में even I think I agree with her. She is not much of a planner. प्लानिंग में हम कैसे करते हैं, लाइक वी लव गोइंग ऑन ट्रिप्स एज शी सेड. सो हम जब भी ट्रिप्स जाते हैं तो उसके पहले 3-4 मंथ्स पहले वी स्टार्ट start saving money so that क्योंकि she knows कि मैं हमेशा planning करता हूँ trips कहाँ जाना है is her choice but कहाँ पे कितना खर्चा करना है कहाँ itinerary बनाना है और ये सब चीज़ें generally मेरी होती है.
See, as I said, I am a home minister, so I can take care of everything which is going on at home. So I make a budget for all these things. But apart from that, if you say that we are, if there is something for long-term investment or something, then I totally, I trust him for that.
Yeah, so I plan, but like I said, I overthink. So I plan for the day, but sometimes it goes on into a postpone this, postpone that, that sort of thing it goes on. So which is not good. I know I need to. But Savya is the one pushes.
But to me, a straight answer to that would be I am definitely a planner.
Are you planning for a child?
Yeah, of course. Everybody wants a family.
Maybe in the next couple of years, maybe next year, we might plan for a kid. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. I think cash flow आ रहा है उस हिसाब से हम देख लेंगे.
अभी रात को क्या खाना है वो भी हम प्लान नहीं कर पाते. इतने लंबे का नहीं सोचा अभी तक.
Expected, right? But it's okay, like you, in India, a lot of couples don't actually know what child planning really looks like. So let's break it down quickly. Expenses start before the baby does. Pregnancy tests and checkups can go up to 50,000 rupees and IVF can be 1 to 2 lakh rupees. A private hospital delivery can be 15,000 to 75,000 rupees and a C-section may cost 25,000 to 2 lakh rupees. In the first year, vaccines and regular visits add 20,000 to 40,000 rupees. And then comes education. Fees rise every year. A course that costs 20 to 30 lakh rupees today can become 1 crore rupees plus in 20 years. Plan early so your child's future isn't funded by debt. Okay. I'll explain the full plan later. Now get back to action. What is the best gift your partner has given you?
मैडम के दिए हुए तो बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स हैं, बट जो सबसे अच्छी यादगार है वो मेरे 40th बर्थडे की है. 40 गिफ्ट इकट्ठे करके दिए थे यार, एंड ऑल ऑफ देम वर लाइक पर्सनलाइज्ड, कस्टमाइज्ड, एज इफ दे वर मेड फॉर मी ओनली.
हम लोग हर साल मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लेकर जाना, वो इनके हमेशा एक चेकलिस्ट में रहता है कि नहीं, बर्थडे हर साल कहीं ना कहीं और जाकर बनाएंगे.
बट सर, आपने मैडम को आपके बेस्ट गिफ्ट के बारे में तो बताया ही नहीं, जो आपने टर्म प्लान लिया था हमसे लास्ट ईयर. वो
ये क्या होता है?
हाँ, वो
Term
मतलब that is something just to keep everything going as it is, even if I am not around.
ऐसे कौन बोलता है? नो, दिस इज नॉट राइट.
Which is हाँ.
कौन मरने मराने की बातें कहाँ से आ गई?
Wait, stop. You can hide a lot of things, but hiding your insurance can literally cost your family. Because in an emergency, if your wife doesn't know the insurer, policy number, e-card or claim process, then cashless gets delayed, bills come from pocket and term claims can get stuck. Premiums can lapse, nominee issues can create delays, and sometimes the money never gets claimed. So tell her 5 things: insurer, plan, policy number, nominee, and where the documents are saved. Now let's go to our other couple, what they think about retirement.
Right from early on, I always dreamt of retiring early. But that retiring early was based on a certain thought process so I have always believed in life, and I started investing in the stock market at the age of 18. But then being in love for so long, and I think I take the 20s when we got married, there came a time where the children started to come along in the early 30s, and we started to think of long term, because at the end of the day, we live our lives, but we also have children to manage. We need to take care of risk. So sometimes you need to take a step back and think a little more long term. And provided the insurance company was securing security, and also my principal amount, and still giving me a great compensation at the end.
This couple planned on time. Many don't. In India, we retire around 58 to 60, but we're living longer. Life expectancy is projected to touch nearly 77 by 2045. That's not a short break. That's 20 to 25 years without a salary. And here's the catch. As age goes up, medical costs go up. Income doesn't. retirement planning isn't something you start at 45. It's something you thank yourself for starting at 30. Markets will move, but your retirement income shouldn't depend only on movement. Build at least one assured income stream, so retirement feels like freedom, not adjustment.
If I again remember what that person told me when I was a lot younger was, you will have total financial safety at 60, and today I am actually seeing that, because I do get a regular fixed set of income on a monthly basis, which actually more or less covers our grocery and our regular bills. And of course we do have savings that we've also accumulated over and above the insurance to top up for the others. But at least the big part of me and my wife's expenses, which is our day-to-day food on the table, comes from the cash flow generated through the insurance.
Love starts with butterflies, then comes bills, then comes retirement plans. Every stage needs a little romance and a little planning. Education funds, term cover, retirement income. At One Insure, we help you plan all of it, so your love story doesn't get interrupted by financial surprises. This Valentine's Day, plan smart and love freely. Happy Valentine's Day.